So that bad U-joint, I'm getting it replaced, but I don't know if you guys can see that too well. All of those bolts are sheared right off the edge. It damaged the drive shaft itself a little bit. If I can fit under here, and then that's what the U-joint looks like. As you can see, some light. It's pretty damaged. Should have been replaced long ago, but whatever. Just need to get the caps out of there and try getting those off without damaging them or breaking the bolts off. So see how that goes. Okay, so here's a little update on the old XJ. So my U-joint was screwed up, as you guys can see. So now the battery was dead from sitting for a few days in the cold. It was like minus like 30 here for a couple days, or 25 or whatever. So battery's almost charging. Hopefully it's not completely dead. And here's the U-joint. I had to cut it out because it would not come out for the life of it. As you can see, the cap is completely destroyed. That's where it like must have blew out like that, and then completely chewed that outside off. This side is a little bit chewed, not near as bad, but still it's supposed to look like this. And then this is where I grinded it off because I could not get it out. So this cap was split. It's in rough shape. So I had to get that replaced because it's about to fall out. So the new one's all up in. It's hard to do because all the bolts were stripped on it, but I got it in there. I had to play with it for a while, but all the bolts were stripped, so it was hard to do because the new ones aren't coming in for like another 3 weeks, but I need to get to work. And then my leaf springs are like destroyed. As you can see, there's a piece of it, and like 4 inches, there's nothing because it's gone. One snaps, and the other side, I don't know if you can see, don't mind that haywire there. My brake line was hanging bad, so I just jimmy rigged it up for now. But that side's just as bad. New U-joint, as you can see. Yeah, it's all chewed up. The other side's way worse. I hate those little the little clamps there. They're such a pain to get in. But yeah, the shocks completely gone too. I don't know why my camera's not focusing, but so we're gonna let this battery charge and hopefully it can get me to work tomorrow. So there's an update on old XJ. Still gotta get that light bar fixed. It's still not working. I don't know what's wrong with it. I haven't played around with it, but I think one of the wires has disconnected itself or something. But that's it for this video. It's in a pretty bad storm and my tires suck in the snow. They're mud tires or whatever, and they're not the greatest to begin with, but yeah, the Jeep's all fixed. I got the U-joint in. I used to strip bolts still, like the head was stripped off of them, not the actual threads or anything. I got them tightened on enough until the new ones come in. Needed my Jeep for work, but now I'm having this weird issue that's been happening to my Jeep, and it happened to my woman's a few times as well. The check engine light will come on, or not check engine light, check gauge light will come on, and then all of a sudden my battery, apparently this isn't charging or whatever, it just drops down to 0. But there's something wrong with it. The battery's not dying, the alternator's still good. Check engine light's only on because I don't have my O2 sensors chopped off when I cut the exhaust off the Jeep. So I don't know what's going on there. If you guys know, let me know down in the comments below. Yeah, so I'm just driving home in a storm. Sorry I haven't been posting many videos. We've just been really busy and I haven't had time and nothing really worth filming. Took the kids out sliding, that's about it. So there's gonna be a video on that and fixing the old XJ up. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And if you guys don't have snow where you're from, you're friggin' lucky because it sucks. And it gets really cold here too. Have a great day, subscribe to the channel, and stay positive.